Welcome to Bike World, where we bring forgotten motorcycles back to life and showcase their true potential. Today, we're diving into the restoration of a heavy abandoned chopper, a 2025 restoration project featuring a once mighty 750cc machine. Left to rust and forgotten, this bike is a masterpiece waiting to be reborn, and we're here to take you through every detail of its incredible transformation. The journey begins with the discovery of this chopper, a neglected beauty buried under layers of dust and rust. The frame was battered, the engine seized, and every component screamed for attention. But as any true bike enthusiast knows, there's something special about breathing new life into a machine with a story. The first step was assessing the overall condition, from the frame to the drivetrain, to see what could be salvaged and what needed replacement. Disassembling the bike was a painstaking process, as every bolt and component seemed frozen in time. Once stripped down to its bare bones, the chopper revealed years of wear and neglect. The frame had multiple rust spots, and the fuel tank bore deep scratches, but there was still hope. After a thorough cleaning, the restoration team set to work on repairing and reinforcing the frame, ensuring it could handle the power of a rebuilt 750cc engine. Speaking of the engine, it was a beast of its time, but years of abandonment had taken their toll. The restoration involved dismantling every part, cleaning and machining components, and replacing what was beyond repair. The crankshaft, pistons, and cylinder walls underwent precise restoration techniques to bring the engine back to its original glory. Once reassembled, the team tested and tuned it to perfection, ensuring the chopper would roar back to life. Attention to detail is what separates a good restoration from a great one, and this project was no exception. Custom touches included polished chrome accents, a new leather seat, and a custom paint job inspired by the bike's original design but with a modern twist. The matte black finish, paired with vibrant red and silver highlights, gave the chopper a striking and aggressive look. The wheels and suspension underwent a complete overhaul. The rims were replaced, and the tires upgraded to ensure a smooth ride. The suspension system, including the front forks and rear shocks, was rebuilt to provide better handling and comfort. The braking system was modernized for safety, blending classic style with contemporary performance. Finally, it was time for reassembly. Piece by piece, the chopper came back together, blending vintage charm with modern reliability. Once the bike was fully assembled, it was time to fire up the engine. The moment the 750cc engine roared to life was nothing short of magical, a testament to the hard work and passion poured into the restoration. The restored chopper isn't just a bike, it's a symbol of resilience and craftsmanship. From being left to decay to becoming a stunning masterpiece, this 2025 restoration project has been an incredible journey. At Bike World, we believe every bike has a story, and it's our mission to bring those stories to light. Stay tuned for more epic transformations, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike World for the best in motorcycle restoration and custom builds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.